Hi, I'm Parka. Let's get set to go. Tick-tock. There's fun ahead. Let's roll, let's rock. Let's explore. Let's go play. Discover something new today. Hey, look at all these birds. What are you all doing down here? I wonder how birds fly. Ready to explore? Let's go. Birds push off with their feet and start flapping their wings. Flapping pushes the air down so the birds can stay up in the sky. Their feathers spread out to help them. Birds can also fly because they don't weigh very much. They're very light because their bones are hollow. When birds stop flapping their wings, they can glide. Nice landing. I can't fly because I'm a beaver, but I sure can have fun pretending. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.